confirmed tornado located over Ewing, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. So please seek shelter right away if you live anywhere in this red area, because this is a very dangerous situation. That tornado warning is in effect until 6:45, so about the next 20 minutes. But these have been expanding basically throughout the night. So Ewing right now, you're getting hit very hard. Lawrence, currently it's only a few minutes away from Trenton, Route 206. Why don't we go ahead and expand this a little bit farther, show some of the other communities and some of the roads as well. Ewing right now, again, that confirmed tornado, Prospect Heights, Sherwood Hamlet, and we can zoom in and show you some of the roads. Princeton Pike, currently Route 1, Route 31, Ferry Road Manor, any of these roads, this is where we're seeing the strongest part of the storm. We're seeing that center of circulation, and again, a confirmed tornado, which is pretty unusual for this area. Trenton area, you can see right now you're getting the rain, but that tornado is not far from you. It's only a few minutes away from you. So let's go ahead and show the correlation coefficient, Paul, if we could. So see what it's looking like. So, all right, so we have, this is the tornado right now. It's over the community of Ferry Road Manor. It's moving into Prospect Heights. We're starting to see a little bit of debris kind of being kicked up near Trenton, but that is the tornado currently. It's crossing Route 31. It's just to the north of West State Street. It's heading towards Trenton. I do think it's going to be in the Trenton area within the next few minutes. So again, if you live in Trenton currently, anywhere in this vicinity, please seek shelter right away. This is a very dangerous situation. Meteorologist Brittany Boyer has some more information. Brittany.
And the National Weather Service is continuing their tornado warning here, which is why we are on the air. We've already had confirmation today of a large and dangerous tornado that has been moving throughout portions of our viewing area here. We're primarily focusing in on areas as we get a little bit closer to Trenton at this point. We're going to stay on the air until at least 6:45. If the National Weather Service drops a tornado warning, we'll go back to programming. Until then, we're going to stay on the air and provide you with the very latest information here. So everywhere that you see this red polygon, if you see your community on here, if you have a loved one that might live in this area and they might not be watching TV, make sure they are safe. You yourself, make sure you're staying safe here, as we are looking at some highly populated areas here. Of course, Trenton, a big concern as we get closer. And Paul, maybe we can populate some of those communities, since I think earlier we were looking at Trenton around, I think, 6:34. So we're getting a little bit closer to that here. With this tornado warning that runs until 6:45. So you can see a few more of the communities. We have 295 right here, Hamilton, Prospect Heights, Morrisville. We have Route 1, 206, 129, Whitehorse. You are also under this tornado warning. The Groveville area, and you can see in yellow, those are some of the street names. So if you're familiar with this general area and you see your street on here, hopefully by now you are in your basement. So we're kind of getting our bearings here with what's going on at this moment. And we're still dealing with some rotation. It looks like at this point, the rotation with this tornado warned cell is just to the north and east of Trenton. Here's Trenton right here. You're in the shower activity right now. The worst of this is to your north and east. We've been looking at many different products that go along with the fact that we've had an observed tornado out there. We have the rotation, we've had reports of debris, and now we're going to read off a few more communities for you here. We have 633 Warner Village. That's when the worst of this is going to be entering your area. Don't wait until then. Get in your safe location now. Hamilton, 638. We have Golden Crest at 642, Yardville at 645, and Chesterfield until 645. As I mentioned, this tornado warning is until 6:45. We very well could have this extended by the National Weather Service if they feel the rotation is still there, and if this is particularly a dangerous storm.